Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Alina Fatma and I am from ALS Sabdazar DNK group, and I appeared in 3 subjects in O levels. I got 2 A's and 1 A star, and I am from business group, and I am really thankful to my teachers and my parents. And
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Nadir and I'm from ALS Sabdazar DNK group. I appeared in my Cambridge O-levels exams in 3 subjects. I got 2 A stars and 1 B, and I'm very thankful to all my teachers here in ALS, and most of all to my parents and Allah too. And I hope, inshallah, that I will get 5 A stars in my next upcoming exams.
My name is Maswad and I belong to American ISF DNK group, and I got 3 straight A stars in my O-level exams, and I hope to get straight A's in my next exams too. And the reason I got these A stars was because of my teachers, and as they taught us in an excellent way, and it is also because of our section head Habib Niazi.
I am Abdullah Munir and I've studied from ALS DNK system. I've got 2 A stars in my Cambridge International exams, and the credit goes to Sir Habib and ALS management for these grades, and I'm hoping to maintain these grades in the future as well, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Manahil Siddiqa Mubashir. I have appeared in Cambridge O-level examination and in 3 subjects, and I got 3 A stars with the help of Almighty Allah. The credit goes all to my parents and the teachers who have worked hard and tirelessly to allow us to get these results. Thank you so much.
I am student of ALS DNK Sabdazar. I appeared in 3 subjects in O-levels and got all 3 A stars. Thanks to Allah Almighty and my parents and teachers. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Tasiq Jamil from American ISF DNK school system. I appeared in 4 subjects in Cambridge International examination, and I got 3 A stars and 1 A grade. Thanks to my teachers, parents and section head Sir Habib Niazi. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saeed Hassan and I appeared in O-level examination 3 subjects. I got 2 A's and 1 A star. Thanks to my Sir Habib Niazi, my parents and my teachers. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Mahmood Khalid and I am from ALS DNK. I had recently appeared in O-level examination series. I got 3 A's, 2 A's and 1 A star. Thanks to my teachers, and especially thanks to my Sir Habib Niazi, who put a great effort on me, and thanks to my parents who support me a lot and thanks.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Shiraz and I appeared in Cambridge O-level examinations and I got 2 A's and 1 B. Thanks to my teachers and my Almighty and my parents.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Fazl Abbas. I am from American ISF DNK school system. I have recently appeared in Cambridge International examination and I got 2 A's. Thanks to Almighty Allah, my parents, my teachers, and special thanks to section head Sir Habib Niazi.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adnan Asad and I have recently appeared in 2020 series of Cambridge CIEs, and by the blessing of Allah I have got 2 A's and an A star, and the credit goes to my teachers and my parents, and especially Sir Habib Niazi for being supportive with me and being helpful all the time. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iman Irfan and I am from American ISF School Sabdazar branch DNK system, and I appeared in 3 subjects. I got 3 A stars, and all credit goes to my respectable teachers, section head Habib Niazi, and to my parents. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Parsa Zafar and I'm from grade 11. I'm currently doing my O-levels from American ISF DNK school system, and I'm very lucky to be standing in a position that I so earnestly look forward to. First of all, I'll begin by extending my greatest gratitude to Allah for letting me here and for helping me in my journey so far. I'm never ever creditable of all this. Second of all, I want to present my special thanks to Allah again for making my parents and teachers a source of the hard efforts they put in me in achieving good grades, 3 A stars, alhamdulillah. And then one thing that I really want to mention is that I'm indebted to my teachers for their untiring support, the love and the motivation. And then I want to present a very special thanks to Sir Habib Niazi, very cooperative, determined and very responsible section head. He's always been there for us every moment. And then, another very equally important figure in our school success is our chairman, Dr. Nadeem Kiani. Although we don't generally get to meet him, but I see him everywhere around in the cooperative faculty, the determined staff, and all the facilities we have here at school. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nayam Shah Jahan, and I'm appeared for Cambridge O levels, and I'm the part of Sabzar branch. I got one A star, one A and B, and I'm very thankful to our teachers who always motivate us, and especially Sir Habib who always be there for us. Thank you so much.